I have new hair. Oh my goodness. So if you're new to wearing wigs, this is how they come. I want to share with you. So if you're thinking about it, what will come, how will I know what to do? This is how it comes. So it comes in a box like this. Today I'm going to be reviewing and sharing with you Rachel Light in the color Malibu Blonde, and the color numbers are 12FS12. So Malibu Blonde, Jon Renau. And so this is how the box comes. Then you'll open up the box. They're always wrapped really nicely. So there's tissue here. You just unwrap the tissue, and she's kind of secure in here with a bobby pin. So just gently pull her out. Let's see. So you can see it's almost like a collar, like a shirt. And then, let's see. She's pinned in here nicely because she travels really well. And we'll take her out. And then there's a hairnet that you'll see on here, and you don't need that. You can just throw it away, or you can use it to store your wig. I can usually throw them out. Oh, this is pretty, a long one. Okay, this is Rachel Light by Jon Renau and the color Malibu Blonde, which is another favorite of mine. So then in the back is a little tag. So I like to take the tag off. I think if you've seen me at all, you know that even when I thought I was gonna return a wig, I gave it a chance, and my favorite wigs are the ones I thought I was gonna return. Anyway, this little tag just slips off through the little, there's a little holder in the back. I like to keep the tag, so when I store my wigs, I'll put the box in the box, and then I'll have the tag on the outside so I know which wig it is, or which wig I'm looking for the day. All right, so I always like to start on the inside, so let's do that. So inside this wig, we already know she's long. We can tell that just by looking at her. This has a temple to temple lace front. So this is gonna go from here to here, lace front. And you can see how nice the lace is. You can see my fingers through here. So this is gonna give the illusion that it's coming out of your head. Now it's a fully hand-tied cap, so there's no wefting in here. This is very breathable, stretchy. This goes all the way back here, as you can see. So it's gonna give the appearance of scalp. And I'm wearing a light colored wig cap grip because when it gives the illusion of scalp, I want it to be the color of, kind of blend with the color of the hair, if that makes sense. On the ear tabs, this is what's really nice. Silicone, which really bends to your head, and you'll see in a minute when I show it to you on. Also silicone at the nape of the neck. Makes it very comfortable. If you don't have hair, this would be a beautiful cap for you because it's soft and not itchy. So just a beautiful cap. Now when they come out of the box, I like to shake the wigs because they've been kind of stored, right, in transit. And we can see that all the nice color patterns in here. Now to put on the wig for the first time, you're gonna wanna find the back, and the tag is always in the back, or the tag goes at the nape of the neck. Don't make the same mistake I did. I put a wig on once upside down with the tag in the front and kept thinking, I don't know, this doesn't look right. So if it doesn't look right, maybe check and see where the tag is. All right, so we're gonna put the tag in the back, and this has adjusters. Again, hand tied here, just beautiful. And we're gonna put our forehead in first and flip her back. Oh, she's beautiful, beautiful. This is Rachel Light, light for sure. Okay, so we're gonna just kind of finger comb here and decide where we want the part. You can see that I lined up my parting line with that wig cap over on this side. So this is how it looks. Just kind of give it a minute to kind of look at how she looks. I love this look. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And I'm gonna show you the earpiece on the side. So this is lace all the way to here. And you can see if I pull her back, she's gonna look really natural. Let's look up here. Again, really natural. All the way around. Beautiful. So moving with it hand tied, it's going to really move well. Now, I find that all of these wigs from wigs.com are spectacular. So I'm a little biased, but again, look at her, look at the color, 12 FS12 Malibu Blonde. I'm gonna turn around and you can see the back. Keep turning. So cute, right? And with this free parting space, you can part her wherever you want to part her. So you can part her on this side if you want. You could just pull her back and like have her off your forehead if you like. Really, it's up to you. These styles are so versatile. And then because of the nice nape, you can also pull her up and back. And let me show you the back on this. This. So it hides all my hair, but you can still, you know, it would be so pretty just in a half up, half down as we head into the fall season. Very pretty, right? I love, love. So this again is Rachel Light in Malibu Blonde by Jon Renau.